All right, let's get started. Thank you for joining, everyone. I'm Dean Andrews. I'm head of developer relations here at InterSystems, and we're kicking off another programming contest, InterSystems Java contest. I'll walk you through this little contest kickoff page on our developer community and tell you about it here. We are very excited to kick off another programming contest before the end of the year. It's our InterSystems programming contest. It begins today, November 13th, and it ends on December 3rd. There's a big prize pool, as always, $14,000 in prizes. The topic is that we invite you to use Java in our new programming contest. You can also use Kotlin, Clojure, and Scala. They're also very welcome. You are to submit an open source application that uses these technologies with InterSystems IRIS, or IRIS for Health. I'll briefly walk you through the requirements, but they're also on this contest kickoff page on our InterSystems developer community at community.intersystems.com. It's an application or library that must be fully functional. It should not be a copy paste of an existing application or library. Accepted applications for this contest are either brand new applications that are submitted in our Open Exchange app gallery, or existing applications in Open Exchange with significant improvement for this contest. Our team will review and approve all submitted applications. The application should work with either IRIS Community Edition or IRIS for Health Community Edition. Both can be downloaded from our evaluation site. The application should be open sourced and published on GitHub. You need to submit a README with your application that is in English, that contains the installation steps, and either a video or text description of how the application works. Note that an individual developer can submit up to 3 applications. Any more are not allowed. And of course, our experts will have final say whether an application is approved for the contest or not, based on the criteria of complexity and usefulness. We have 2 large prize categories. There are our experts, our jury of judges that will decide 1st through 10th place. And then we also have community winners, where the developer community of InterSystems decides 1st through 5th place. Let's see, who can participate? Any member of our InterSystems developer community, except for InterSystems employees. Contractors are allowed. You can team up and create an application as a team. So you can do, an individual can submit an application, or a team of 2 to 5 developers in one team. If you do have a team project, please highlight all of the team members in the README with their developer community user profiles. Here are the important deadlines. As I mentioned, the kickoff is today, November 13th. You must submit an application by November 26th, and there is a voting period from November 27th to December 3rd. Developers can improve their submitted applications during the voting period. That is allowed. This kickoff page in our developer community has a bunch of great links to help you participate. There's how to develop Java applications with InterSystems IRIS, a bunch of great links here. There is information for beginners using our InterSystems package manager. There's instructions on how you actually submit applications applications to the contest, and there are some sample applications which you can use and explore, and even videos as well. If you need any help, you can actually reach out to us on the InterSystems Discord server. The link is right here in the contest kickoff page, or you can actually just comment on this post in the developer community, and we'll respond to you there as well. I'm going to pass it over to Evgeny. Did you have anything else you wanted to add, Evgeny?
Yes, sure. Thank you so much, Dean, for this intro. I think we are ready to invite developers to this contest. And maybe before I'll go to describe some bonus opportunities, any questions so far? Yeah, because as Dean mentioned, we kick off this contest. We have this video session mostly to answer your questions, if any. And this is the first time we are having Java contest for InterSystems IRIS and IRIS for Health. So we are very excited. We are looking forward to see applications where you guys use Java with the InterSystems IRIS on the backend. Anyway, so I'm not sure who is sharing the page. It's you.
Yeah.
Okay, so I will share my page, my screen. Yes, and this is what you see is technology bonuses article that is just posted. You can find it easily if you open InterSystems Java contest page and then click here, like through the announcement of this kickoff, and then straight to technology bonuses. Yes, and here we have, which is not a surprise, we have a set of different bonuses that are related to different ways you can build Java applications with InterSystems IRIS, and you can see all the. So we try to highlight the offerings that we suggest developers to be more productive with Java with InterSystems IRIS. So let's see what is here. What do we have here? First is if you use Java Native API, you get 2 points. And what is Java Native API? It's a Java library that lets you deal with InterSystems IRIS directly from Java. You can make class method calls, function calls. You can use proxy objects and things like that. So you use Java Native API and get two bonus points. The next option is we suggest you is to discover Java PEX interoperability. This is not something that we will this is very new to developers that participate often in our contests and all actually know a lot about IRIS and its features, because PEX is available not only in Java, and we had a lot of examples where you guys where developers use PEX interoperability along with Python. Now we invite you to use PEX interoperability with that is you'll be using Java libraries. And what is PEX? PEX basically is a production extension. So with this technology, you will be able to leverage Java libraries in InterSystems IRIS interoperability productions. And so if you do, you get your extra 4 bonus points in the experts nomination. What else? What is maybe not very typical is that we suggest you to leverage community libs that are already exist in and published on Open Exchange. This is a community Hibernate library written by Yuri Marks. Thank you, Yuri, for introducing it to InterSystems community. And also Liquid Base, introduced by Dmitry Maslenikov. Please feel free to leverage the functionality this community libs give you that they both are written in Java, and you can leverage two more bonus points for your application, for your contribution. Next option is LLM and long-chain usage. We cannot avoid this very revolutionary technology that really came into the life of any developer on this planet. So please feel free to use it in your applications in Java and Iris and collect 4 more points. So this is a strong motivator for you to just not miss it. Okay. Next is what's next is that you probably know that we recently introduced a new product. It is InterSystems IRIS Cloud SQL, and it is and there is a direct access program that you can leverage and use IRIS SQL Cloud and deploy IRIS SQL Cloud via this portal. Register here and deploy IRIS SQL in the cloud and leverage it in your Java application. And this will give you 3 extra points. Next, there will be, as usual, there will be a questionnaire. I will introduce it shortly on the go and answer it and provide your direct feedback. This is very welcome every time, and we give you 2 bonus points. What else? There are some like usual suspects. It's Docker container usage and IPM. We had a lot of discussions whether IPM is relevant when you use Java. We'll see. Maybe we will remove this, but actually developers, please surprise us. Okay, if you find the useful usage of IPM with Java and Iris, you get 2 points more. Online demo is another way to get 2 more points. And also, as a tradition already, we encourage you to find the most relevant to you idea that is in category of community opportunity ideas in our ideas portal. And thanks a lot for you developer community members for introducing these ideas. We have pretty good amount of community opportunity ideas that are categorized as community opportunity. Feel free to implement it. You know that a lot of members of developer ecosystem, they are looking for implementation of this idea, and you get 4 points more. Again, with this contest, we introduced the option of bugs bounty. So if you find a bug in any InterSystems IRIS Java offerings and submit it here in a special GitHub repository, you will collect 2 points more. And some usual opportunities, articles on developer community, first-time contribution. We give some Gandhi cape to first participants in the contests. And video, and this is it. So please, if you have any questions, we are here to answer.
Any questions?
Any questions, comments? Tom Dyer, maybe you want to add anything regarding the usage of SQL InterSystems IRIS SQL Cloud. I forgot to mention that besides SQL engine, there will be integrated ML available, right?
Yes, there is, and we still have a developer access program going on, maybe not all that much longer as we are getting close to general availability. So that is definitely an option, an easy way to use it.
Thank you, Tom. And of course, if you those who are online on this kickoff, we really want to hear your feedback because this is first time we invite you to build Java applications. Any thoughts? Is it like a good idea, very good idea, or maybe not? Not so.
Yeah, good idea for me. From my end, it's a good idea.
Thank you, Mohan. Thank you.
And I have one question.
Yes, please.
So the implementation should be end-to-end, or is it only the APIs only? If it is okay with the APIs as well.
Mohan, could you please repeat your question out loud because we barely hear you?
Yeah, my question is the implementation with the Java implementation. So the implementation should be end-to-end, right? I mean, from one end to another, right? I mean, it should be with the UI as well, right?
Not really. So I will answer, but colleagues from InterSystems, please correct me. So I think this could be any open source Java application that will leverage InterSystems IRIS on the backend with any way you can interact with IRIS. We introduce you several bonus offerings like PEX, Accept, and Java native API, but you can just use Java JDBC.
Yeah.
And
okay.
this will be the.
And you mentioned Hibernate as well for JDBC. Can we use that Hibernate as well?
Of course. And in this case, if you use this community library for Hibernate, you will even get 2 bonus points.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, and also I have one more question. So, will the InterSystem is accepting the Spring Boot as well? Spring Boot.
Why not?
Yeah. So we can implement on top of this Spring Boot as well, right? We can use the Spring Boot and with Hibernate, right?
Yes, sure.
Hibernate. So Hibernate used in Spring Boot, so you can use, of course, Spring Boot, any library which uses Hibernate as well.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, thank you. That's right. Yeah, thank you.
Moreover, you can introduce new libraries if you want. I mean, something you see some lack of functionality or in offerings, or maybe you see maybe this not a lack, but this will be really great use case if you introduce some general Java library that like applicable to IRIS. This is also accepted.
Okay,
the only requirement is that like we cannot avoid. This should be open source contribution. The code you written, it should be like published on GitHub or GitLab open source.
Yeah, and the code should be published in GitHub, right? GitHub
or GitLab.
Yeah, anything is fine. Fine. Yeah, thank you. That's what this. I don't have.
Sure, Mohan.
Yeah, actually, my library liquid-based implementation. I thought I could participate in contest as well, but you put it to examples, so in bonuses. So I think I'll need to find something else for the contest. Anyway, yeah, that's good. Okay.
Sorry for that, Dmitry. Okay, any more questions?
What is the deadline to submit this?
You will have, starting from today, you will have 2 weeks to apply.
Yeah.
And then 1 more week, there will be voting week where no new applications will be accepted, but you are able one more week to fix bugs and add some features.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yuri Gomez maybe not very happy that we put Hibernate also as a community lib. But we want it's so good. We want developers to leverage what you introduced to community. Thank you so much.
Many thanks, guys.
Obrigado, Yuri.
Nada.
Okay. Any more questions? So. Dean, maybe I'll give the floor to you. That looks like maybe we can bless. Yeah.
Thank you all for joining this. Thank you for watching it. If you watch the recording of it, we really are excited. Hope you are able to participate, and we can't wait to see what you build as always. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, and good luck.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.